And there's the mama. Look at her. She is expecting again. And there's the look how she's about to have those babies. Another batch of babies. And there's the Papa. Where'd he go? Papa Swordtail. It's okay. You can eat. I'm not going to bug you. I'm just filming. There's the Mama Swordtail. She's getting huge. Look how big she is. See, she grew overnight, didn't she, Mama? Oh, and there's Daddy. And somewhere is Mickey Mouse Platy. Say, we like this food, but Mommy, who actually, Mommy Me, the owner, does not like cleaning your tank after you've had this stuff. No, sirree, you guys are messy. You can see the babies. Oh, there she is. Oh, come back. I'm trying to get a picture of her with her babies inside. You can see them. That's pretty cool. Sorry, this is so shaky. I have the net in there so they get used to my net, and that way when I catch the babies